Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video we are going to learn about the fourth method to find the square root of a number by estimation method. The first method to find the square root was repeated subtraction method. Second method was prime factorization method, and third method was long division method. Now in this video we are going to learn about the fourth method to find the square root of a number by estimation method. So let's get started. Let me explain estimation method with the help of a question. The question says find the square root of 410 by estimation method. Now this number 410 is a non-perfect square number. So we can say the perfect squares which are near 410 are 400 and 441. That means 410 lies between 400 and 441, which are squares of 20 and 21. So basically the square number of 410 will also lie between 20 square and 21 square. Right. So basically it lies between 20 and 21. Next we can try with 20.5. Right. So 20.5 square is 420.25. Now easily we can say that 410 lies between 400 and 420.25. Right. So we can say it lies between 20 square and 20.5 square. Like on the number line, if you observe over here, suppose over here I'd say it is 20 and over here I say it is 21. 21 square is 441 and 20 square is 400. So I will try with some middle numbers, say 20.5, whose square I am getting 420.25. Right. Now somewhere between this, the square of 410 will lie between 20 and 20.5. Right. So we can just try with 20.2 and 20.3. 20.2 square is 408.04 and 20.3 is 412.09. So clearly we can say 410 lies between 408.04 and 412.09, which is 20.2 square and 20.3 square. Now closest to it is 20.2 square, right? So we can say square root of, over here we can say square root of 410 is 20.2 approximately, because closer to 410 we have 408.04, which is more closer than 412.09. So the answer is 20.2. Now let us take up one more question which is based on estimation method. So the question is, the area of a square plot is 800 meters square. Find the estimated length of the side of the plot. Now here the area is given to us 800 meters square. It's a square plot. We have to find the estimated length of the side of the square plot. Estimated length means approximate value of the side of the square plot. So let's start. Let the length of each side be A meters. Now area is given to us 800 meters square, and area of a square we know it is A square, right? So A square is equal to 800 meter square. Further, A is equal to square root of 800. So we have to find square root of 800 by estimation method. So over here if you observe, perfect squares near 800 are 784 and 841. So we can say that 800 lies between 784 and 841. That is 28 square and 29 square. Further, we can try with 28.5. 28.5 square gives us 812.25. So we can say that 800 lies between 784 and 812.25. That means 784 was 28 square and 812.25 was 28.5 square. So it is 28.5 square. So it lies between these two, 28 square and 28.5 square. This is clear. Now let us try 28.2 and 28.3. Now 28.2 square is coming 795.24 and 28.3 whole square is coming 800.89. So we can say that 800 lies between 795.24 and 800.89, that is 28.2 square and 28.3 square. So 800 is lying between these two square numbers, and closer to them is 28.3. So we can say the approximate value of square root of 800 is 28.3. So basically over here we started with the area. Area was given 800 meter square. Then we said that a square is 800. So a is equal to root of 800, and we found the root of 800 by estimation method. First we started with 28 and 29. Then we started with 28.5. Then we said that it lies between 28 square and 28.5 square. Then we tried with 28.2 and 28.3, and further we said that 800 lies between 28.2 and 28.3 square, which and the closest one is 28.3. So square root of 800 is 28.3, and that is the value of A. A was the length of the side of the square plot. So we can say the length of each side of the square plot is 28.3 approximately, right? So this is it. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned about estimation method. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.